y'all new to gardening and this year you want to plant peas, but you're not exactly sure what all you need to do to plant your peas? In this quick 5-minute or less video, I'm going to go over the basics of anything you would need to know in order to plant your peas. So sit back, relax, grab some coffee, and let's plant some peas. So I've been growing peas for the last 4 to 5 falls/winters here in zone 9A. And it's actually a really simple plant to grow. Key thing though is planting it at the right time, temperature-wise, for your zone. So you definitely need to know the zone you're in, your fall temps, and then look on the back of the packets and make sure that you are planting within those time frames. And you're not going to have an issue, I guarantee. Now there are so many different types of peas that, I mean, you could have snap peas, sugar snap peas, winter peas. These ones that I'm going to plant here, which are called King Tut peas, they got purple pods. The peas inside are really good, but you just have to figure out which type of pea is best for you, that you like the most. And what you're going to want to do is make sure you have a trellising system. So wherever you plan on planting your peas, you are going to need a trellising system. You want them to be able to get up off the ground, as you're seeing right here in this video from last year or the year before, me growing these same types of peas that I'm going to show you right here. Now you can do 2 different ways of planting your peas. First, you could do like a pre-soak of your peas. Basically 12 to 24 hours before you're going to plant, you can soak your peas in a little bowl of water, and that just will help speed up the germination process. Now, I've done that a couple times. I'll be totally honest, for me, I haven't seen a big difference in the germination rate. So I don't do it anymore, but you can totally do that. Just get a little jar of water, like I said, put your peas in them. The next day, plant them. What I'm going to show you right now is just the basic way that I plant my peas. I go about 1/2 inch to 1 inch deep in whatever bed that I'm going to plant them in. I make sure I have a good trellising system. I'm going to use a blood meal and bone meal mixture in the hole with the peas, and that's just going to give those plants, as they're starting to grow, an extra boost of energy and nutrients. These are the peas I'm going to plant right now. We're going to plant them right here with this trellising system that goes all the way up the side of my house. So again, we're going to go about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch deep. Come in with the mixture. And then I like to go about every 2 inches in space. So 1, 2, and it doesn't have to be exact, y'all, but you would definitely want to give each of these plants a little bit of room for their root systems to grow and take off. So as you can see, I have them spaced out. Just going to close them up. And that, y'all, is really it. Last thing to do, obviously, is just water them in really good. Make sure that that initial watering is a really good soaking. So that way, if you did not soak your peas, there's plenty of water to soak into the pea itself and then start the germination process. The biggest advice I can give you for planting your own peas, again, make sure you are planting at the time frame, weather-wise, heat-wise, that is perfect for those peas. Then, y'all, just sit back, enjoy, and watch them grow. And as they start to grow, if you're like me, you will have an amazing little snack every time you go in the garden. Pick those fresh pea pods off, eat those fresh peas, and y'all just absolutely enjoy this plant. And that is your Tuesday growing tip of the week. Enjoyed this down and dirty quick video. Do me the 3 favors: share, like, and subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. If you all enjoyed this video and you're looking for a beginner gardener channel, consider subscribing to this channel. I would love to have all of you join all of us. Just click the subscribe button and hit that bell so you're always notified whenever I upload videos. Everyone take care, God bless. Get your peas planted. Enjoy that amazing little snack that you will have abundantly once they start to grow. Talk to y'all again real soon.